Okay, let's unpack this. Ever wonder what might be hiding inside your walls? Something you can't see, but could cause some really big problems down the line.
Yeah, it's a worrying thought, isn't it?
Definitely. So today we're doing a deep dive into something called poly piping. You might have heard of it. It's this older type of plastic pipe.
That's right.
And we're focusing a bit on Port Moody today because it's relevant for a lot of homes there. But honestly, this is important info for homeowners pretty much anywhere with houses from a certain era.
Absolutely.
We pulled some really clear information from the Pacific Blue Mechanical website for this deep dive, trying to get straight to the facts.
And what's fascinating here, I think, is how something that was so common, so standard back then, can actually hide such significant risks today. It's not about being scary, just informed.
Informed is good. So let's start simple. For anyone listening who's maybe thinking, poly-B, what's that? Can you break it down? Like really simple terms.
Sure. Think of it like this. Poly-B, or polybutylene, is a type of plastic pipe. It's usually gray, kind of bendy. Builders used it a ton, mostly from the late 1970s up to the early, maybe mid-1990s.
Why was it so popular then?
Well, mainly cost and ease of use. It was cheaper than traditional copper pipes and way quicker to install. So for builders, it seemed like a great option at the time.
Okay, cheap and easy. Sounds good, but there's a catch, right? What's the big problem?
The big problem, and this is key, is that over time, it doesn't hold up well, especially when it's constantly exposed to the levels of chlorine we typically find in, regular tap water.
The chlorine.
Exactly. The chlorine basically reacts with the plastic, making it brittle. It sort of breaks down from the inside out. That means it can crack, leak, or even suddenly burst.
Yikes. And that leads to
water damage, potentially huge messes, really expensive repairs, mold problems, the whole 9 yards.
Yeah.
And it often happens around the fittings, the connectors, which were another weak point.
So the scary part is you might not even know you have this stuff or that it's degrading until, bam, water everywhere.
That's the hidden danger, precisely. It's often silent failure.
Right. Okay, so avoiding disaster is a pretty big motivator. But let's flip this. If we connect this to the bigger picture, what are the actual benefits? What do you gain by replacing it beyond just dodging a bullet?
Oh, there are huge upsides. It's not just about preventing the bad stuff. First off, you stop those potential leaks. Period. No more sudden, nasty surprises. Peace of mind on that front is massive.
Yeah, put a price on that.
Not really. Then there's better water quality. Newer pipes like PEX or copper don't degrade in the same way and don't leach things into your water, so cleaner, potentially safer water for your family.
Okay, that's important. Healthier home.
Definitely. A healthier home overall. Because hidden leaks, even small ones from failing poly-B, are prime breeding grounds for mold. Get rid of the source, you reduce the mold risk. The Pacific Blue Mechanical site actually mentions studies linking new pipes to better indoor air.
Interesting. What about the house itself, like its value?
Big impact there. More home value. Especially in a market like Port Moody, buyers are getting savvy about poly-B. Having it replaced is a major selling point. It shows the home's been maintained, removes a big question mark for them.
Yeah, I can see that. Makes your home stand out. Any other perks?
Well, like I said, peace of mind is huge. Just knowing your plumbing is sound, and you might even get lower insurance bills. Insurance companies see old poly-B as a risk factor. Upgraded plumbing. Less risk for them, potentially lower premiums for you.
So it's a win-win-win. Stops leaks, improves health, boosts value, saves money potentially.
Pretty much. It's a smart investment, not just an emergency repair.
Okay, so if someone listening, maybe in Port Moody, is thinking, all right, I need to look into this, how do they find the right help? It sounds like a job you want done right.
Absolutely. You need a professional plumber who really knows poly-B replacement. It's a bit specialized. So look for experience specifically with this type of job.
How do you find that person?
Check reviews, of course. Make sure they're properly licensed and insured. That's crucial. Ask them about their experience with poly-B jobs specifically. And this raises an important question, right? How do you know who to trust?
Yeah.
Look for companies with a proven track record. Like the kind of expertise discussed on the Pacific Blue Mechanical site. They talk about clear communication, detailed quotes, warranties on the work. That gives you confidence.
Good advice. Ask lots of questions, do your homework, be prepared. So what does this all mean? Wrapping this up, replacing old poly-B pipes seems like a really proactive, smart move for your home, your finances, and just your general sanity, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's about securing your investment and ensuring a safe home environment. And maybe it makes you think too, what other hidden parts of your home could be silently affecting your family's health or your home's value? It's worth considering.